So it has certainly been a while, but here I am, I'm back. So I picked up something new. I got the Team Losi Racing 8-XE Elite. This is a 1/8 scale buggy from Losi, and I have been looking at this thing for quite a while. Finally picked one up. Now this is something different for me. I've been sticking with Teknos. Started with the EB48.4. Got two of those. One now is kind of torn apart as a parts car. And then I picked up the EB48 2.0, which I love. Definitely love the Teknos. Definitely think they're great cars, but wanted to try something different. Now I was going to do a full unboxing, all that good stuff, but it rained today. We had a heat wave, a couple days of pure heat, hot, humid air. Finally got broken up by a nice thunderstorm, but the track that we typically run on is underwater. So since we couldn't run tonight, I started building. Kind of thought, yeah, I could build the links, build the shocks, get rid of all that stuff that puts people to sleep when you're trying to build them on camera. Then maybe kind of go ahead and build this thing. But yeah, got way kind of too into it and built the whole rear section. Losi does include a lot of cool option parts. There are carbon fiber inserts on the rear arms. These shocks are great. They are built really well. They're nice and smooth. Very happy with them overall. And I also just realized that I never adjusted the collar on this one. Alright, that's better. The rear does something different from the Teknos. It uses an offset rear, which is very interesting, but I kind of like it. I think it looks neat. Full sway bar, nice high spoiler, wing, whatever you want to call it. And all the links and everything look good. I did also get the front end put together. Love these shock towers. Think they look great. Again, the shocks, very cool. You have aluminum hubs. They're plastic hub carriers, but they feel like good plastics. Now it's not so much an option for the front end, but you do have the carbon fiber inserts on the arms. Again, you have a sway bar up front. Everything else pretty standard, but looks good. So besides that, I did get the center diff built. 46 tooth. This is a metal spur, which is nice. I'm an idiot. I put the bearing on backwards. So I gotta flip this around, which I'll do now. So I gotta rebuild it anyway. I picked up a few things to go with this buggy, including the battery. This is the Genzace Redline Lipo HV, the power of champions. Really cool packaging, nice presentation when you open the box, nice battery, very nice plastic surrounding the entire thing. It's 130C discharge rate, 15.2 volts, 6,000 milliamp, and of course it's a 4-cell. There's a little spot up front here where you can plug in your balance plug for charging. And it comes with some bullets that you can insert there, solder some wires on the top, and use it for either charging or direct running into the ESC. For my servo, I went with a Protek RC. This is the 170 SBL. This is the same servo I use on my Tekno 2.0. Now this kit does come with Team Losi Racing wheels, does not come with the rubber, say. But I picked up these. These are the AKA I-beams. These are the soft long wear, say green yellow dot wheel tire combo. And these tires do very well on the dirt track that I run on. And last but not least, the ESC and motor combo. This is the HobbyWing XERUN, whatever you want to call it, XR8 Pro. And this is my first time trying out a HobbyWing product. I've always run Tekin's, Backyard RC. He's run a few of these HobbyWings. Highly recommended them. Figured I'd give them a shot. So this is the 1900 kV motor with an XR8 Pro 200 amp ESC. Everything comes packaged nicely in a golf ball style box. If you play golf, you know what I'm talking about. And when you get in everything, the ESC, very nice looking. It's got the aluminum case around it, which feels very nice. The fan looks very good. Really happy with the way this thing looks, and from everything I've seen and read, it should be a great performer. I will need to get a program card to program this. I will be borrowing one from Backyard RCs to get myself up and running. maybe a little bit down the line I'll pick up a programming card should I run more HobbyWings in the future. Now I will need to solder on my own wires, not a big deal. I solder things all the time. It does come with the wires underneath, so I think I pretty much have everything I need except for the connectors. I have them. I think I'm going to run the XT90s. If you're into the RC hobby, you got to learn how to solder. It is certainly a game changer when it comes to DIY, fixing your own RCs, or doing builds like this Eight-XE. And here's the motor. This feels nice and heavy. I'm not sure the weight compared to the Tekins that I'm used to running, but this is a 1900 kV motor. Feels very nice. It is censored with the sensor port in the back. It also comes with a sensor wire. Top of my head, I'm not sure what the pinion gear size is. I'm going to use the standard pinion that comes with the Losi kit. Man, I'm just looking forward to getting all this together. And I guess the last thing that's important to note is my receiver. This is a Spektrum SPM SR2100. It is antennaless, and I love these because they are antennaless. Makes for a nice clean install. And I'll be pairing this with my Spektrum DX5R, which is my go-to radio. Alright, well that's pretty much the overview of this build. This video wasn't exactly what I intended. I intended to start from the beginning and do the complete build, but hey, I got a head start. So I probably saved you from some of the boring bits and pieces. I'm on bag F. I'll go ahead and finish this build, and I'll show it off when I get everything built. But if you're new to the channel, hope you'll keep watching. I hope I keep making videos. And if you're a long-time subscriber or a existing subscriber, hey, thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for continuing to tune in, watch, and I'll try to do a better job as far as posting more often. So I'll see you in a few once I get this thing built. Alright, I forget how to end these things. It's been so long. I guess I say goodbye. Goodbye.